if I do eat carbs, will that take me out of ketosis immediately?
No. There's too much going on in your body if you're deep in ketosis and you consume some carbs. I mean, we all consume some level of carbs. You know, some people stay at 20, some people can go up to 50, some people can probably even go up a little bit higher. So no, it's not going to immediately take you out of ketosis. So what if you do and you feel like you've gone significantly over, what can you do to get back in? I recommend going and getting some exercise, like right away, right? Find a way to burn off glucose.
Let's circle back around to the question. You went to the next question.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So will you go out of ketosis immediately? No. But if you sit down and eat a lot of carbs, you will go out of ketosis. Unless you are fat adapted. I'm talking about 2-3 years on keto consistently. For most people, again, everyone's different. So we're talking generalities. The only way to know for sure is to use a test. Preferably blood. Blood would really be the gold standard, followed by breath. The urine strips are really not helpful for immediate changes.
Right. And you might even test just for blood glucose and see how long and how sustained your blood glucose was up, because I mean obviously it's going to have an impact.
And so they say, what is it, test every hour for 4 to 5 hours to really kind of see what's going on.
Yeah, because that immediate 20 minutes after consumption is not necessarily the end of it. I mean, it goes 20, 40, 60, 2 hours, 3 hours, and see what happens.
Okay.